We're Immobiliser Fit, and today I've secured this 2022 72 plate BMW M4 with a Starline Pro. So as you may have seen in our other video, we did the basic Starline system, then this has been upgraded to the Pro as well. So as well as the start-up selector gear immobilisation you see in the other video, this also has a no start now. So if a thief gets the key, tries to start the vehicle, the ignition's going to come on but the vehicle's not going to fire up. So for the customer to drive it, like before, they can turn the Bluetooth on their phone and just drive the vehicle. So we'll just turn the Bluetooth on, it can be locked and in their pocket, simply hop in and start as normal. Hear our melody straight away, and obviously they can select a gear and drive away. Nice and simple, nothing's really changed from the normal procedure except your Bluetooth's on. If your Bluetooth's off, the vehicle's protected. For instances where you're not using the phone, your Bluetooth's now switched off, or you've left it at home and you need to get home, or it's gone flat and you need to get home, what you'll have to do is foot off the brake, do a triple tap of the start button to get the ignition on, then go through the code that you've set. For this video, as usual, we've kept it simple at 1, 2, 3. Foot on the brake, now you've heard your melody and you can fire it up. Once again, this also has the service mode where you can put it into service mode for BMW, turn the system off completely so they don't know anything's there, it's just a normal car. And how you do that: in the vehicle with the system disarmed, press and hold till it goes to yellow, let go, 2 bleeps, system's completely off. BMW would be none the wiser that there's anything fitted if they had to move it around. When you get it back, just same again, press and hold back to green, that'll make sure it's protected. There we go. To get one of these installed, give us a call on 0208 212 7393. This one's the Starline Pro. As you've seen, the vehicle won't start and also has additional mobilisation if it was to start under attack and they selected a gear. Once again, our number's 0208 212 7393. This system pairs to the phone and you can use the push sequence if you're choosing. Thanks for watching.